something special from Mcpotar, representing Bulawayo. Not them stand up. Not them stand up. I say not and stand up.
So special.
Slain from the spiritual realm, I built a fireplace. Aim, baby, reach to your dream just to inspire the lames who wanna speed on your game. They're getting tired. We rain just to put out the pain, torture the violence. Name, legacy, and my genes are so supreme that my brain only structured to win. I try and try again. Rain couldn't wash off the scene. The city flooded my veins, sticking out of my skin. It's getting bloody. Today, maybe tonight, I will pray to make it right. The page needed a right in the brains that are enlightened were caged by the incitement of rape, murder, and fighting against all of our people. We must counter the evil. The last supper, the last and the lost, last 3 years chains. I past as a cup, the past patriots slain. I snap cultural bosses as such, say in your lane. You touch sufferers under your class, what do you gain? My heart chakra structures the art I put in frames, like Park shooting in Vegas, his beats bleeding in pages. It's hard because we made it without calling the majors. I'm cut for all the ladies, I'm tough and coronated. My crown is not debated, my town is only making my kind. It's a city of kings, I'm sorry haters. I'm down for motivation with kids and conversations. Some clowns are only waiting for stats to know my rating.
I say not and